In this video, we're going to multiply rational functions. For f of x, we have 5x minus 25 all over x plus 1. And for the g of x, we have here x squared minus 36 all over x squared minus 25. And here, we're going to multiply f times g of x, which means f of x times the g of x. Let us substitute the value. We have here the f of x, which is 5x minus 25 all over x plus 6 times the g of x, which is x squared minus 36 all over x squared minus 25. And then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. First, the numerator. We have now 5x minus 25 times x squared minus 36 all over. For the denominator, we have x plus 6 times x squared minus 25. In here, to simplify, we just need to factor out all those things that we can factor from the parentheses. Let us have first the 5x minus 25. This is equivalent to the factors 5 times x minus 5. Next, we have the x squared minus 36. This is the factors are x plus 6 times x minus 6. And here, x plus 6 doesn't have any factor, therefore we need to rewrite x plus 6. And for x squared minus 25, the factors are x minus 5 times x plus 5. After that, we can now cancel out those things that the same in the numerator and the denominator. We have here x minus 5 from the numerator and x minus 5 from the denominator, x plus 6 from the numerator and x plus 6 from the denominator, which gives us the final answer, 5 times x minus 6 all over x plus 5. And to simplify, let us simplify the numerator, which gives us 5 times x, which is 5x, and 5 times negative 6, which is negative 30, all over x plus 5. So the final answer will be 5x minus 30 all over x plus 5.